In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix EXTMS Win OOB query L11.0 missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So first is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to the architecture or your system type. Click on the folder icon. And then right click, select open. Click on agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install to simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Next method is you also need to make sure that your Windows is updated. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for download and install the latest updates that your Windows 11 needs. So that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs to better update your Windows. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. Go na now.